is an organization which has already established and keeps establishing a legacy of very high customer service. So I'll start by saying that our philosophy is Dil Se Seva. For the customers, both internal and external, the employee experience and the customer experience is of paramount importance for MTNT. Yes, there are machines which will facilitate the safer world, but MTNT is all about providing safety solutions and making this world a safe world. Started in 74, we are a very young organization of 50 years on a learning curve every single day. So this is about MTNT.
How is MTNT adapting its rental fleet to meet India's electrical vehicle requirements in large infrastructure projects?
MTNT is spread geographically across all regions in India. We work with Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. The reason I mention this is we have an ear to the ground, so to say. So we understand it is not all, it is about understanding what it is that the customer needs. What is it that is going to satisfy the customer? And so when it comes to innovation, we have our own design department. We have a market intelligence department which keeps telling us. Let me go back in time. You see, traditionally we use AC/DC motors, the diesel machines, but we anticipated the need for a green energy, and so we adapted ourselves way long back in 2015 on the electric machines. So today we have a fleet of about 2,000 machines, and I'm very happy to say that almost 50% of them are electric machines. So whether it is to do with creating a zero emission, working on surroundings and terrain which require innovative kind of machines, which I will come to now, we are well equipped and well geared in terms of working with OEMs, in terms of working with our customers for providing the best possible solution for working safely.
Considering India's diverse site conditions, what operational challenges do you see in scaling up electric AWPs, and how does MTNT plan to address them?
Different geographical terrains where there is an uneven surface, we have a specialized machine with us which is called a spider machine, and as the name suggests, we have 4 legs to this, and it has an auto leveling system. This is used in malls, this is used in airports, and wherever there is an uneven ground, and the machine automatically senses the different gradients on the ground, and it has a software inbuilt which auto levels the machine so that the people, those who are the persons working on the basket, are not affected at all. This is insofar as the spiders are concerned. We have a oscillating axle for our booms, which again adjust to the different levels of the terrain, again ensuring that the person working in the basket is not affected at all. So each of our machines has a load sensor, has limit switches. You see, traditionally, again, people used to work the machine from the ground, which is highly unsafe. So we don't do that. We don't allow that. We have the operators working on the basket. Let me also tell you at this point, since you speak about safety, and safety is something that is intrinsic to the working at MTNT, we have our own a different company, which is the CESL training, which is accredited by the National Skill Development Corporation and works through Sector Council to impart specialized trainings for the operator. So it is the machine, it is the man working on the machine who has been trained. So it's a combination of safety of the machine and the man. That's how we practice safety.
For sites with uneven or soft grounds, how do MTNT's rough terrain scissor lifts and spider lifts ensure better stability and safety compared to the traditional access methods?
So let me tell you, today the market is shifting, radically shifting from MS aluminium systems, which are heavy in weight, bulky. For fitment, you need special tools, etc. We manufacture aluminium scaffold systems, lightweight, corrosion-free, and no special tools are required. It works on a quick lock system, so you can easily lock it up. Because it is aluminium and it doesn't have any welds in it, no joints. So it is absolutely maintenance free. We have a 10-year warranty on this, and it is something which is virtually anybody who's trained, the operator who's trained can easily erect it. So with such a large fleet of machines, what comes next is maintaining those machines and making sure that they have 95%, and I'm happy to say so, proud to say so, that our machines have a 95% of uptime. So which is what the customer makes, he's happy. So we have our own organization again, a separate company, a separate business vertical called 𝒂𝒐𝒓𝒌-𝒂𝒕, which is a service arm, which has an inventory of spare parts. They have service engineers. Again, we have yards across the country at different hubs, for instance, like Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Bombay, so on and so forth. So we have our own maintenance. CSL training, I spoke about it. We are always innovating to understand how can we make inspection, maintenance and repair safe. We purchased a company, we acquired a company. There was an M&A of a company based out of UK called WebDeck Systems. So now when you have conveyors, there is a repair work that is done on them. You have the bridges and jetties. So we have a web decking system that is now manufactured in India. We are very much with the Prime Minister's vision of Made in India. And so we make this at our 𝒉𝒂𝒕 factory. We have a huge manufacturing facility at 𝒉𝒂𝒕. So we have innovated and we are now providing solutions for working under conveyors and on the bridges. Other than that, you see, for the oil rigs and for the oil refineries, steel plants, inspection, maintenance and repairs are done at extreme heights. So we adapted and adopted a technology, a methodology, which is governed by IRATA, which is the Industrial Rope Access Trade Association UK. So we have another organization called Evolution Access Technologies, which specializes, the technicians are trained technicians. So we keep doing these kind of innovations. We have a company called IronLink, which provides the maintenance and inspection on the rails. So these are the different innovations that we keep doing. We work strongly with the OEMs. We work with the customers. Here it is not the question. Each person who in our organization, it is not the question of selling. It is the question of a relationship, building a trust, which is very, very important for MTND.
Apart from electrification, what other technology or service innovations is MTND investing in to stay ahead?
So we have our spider lifts. We have our static booms. So if you can have a look at it over here. So when you have construction sites, there is a constraint on the movement of the machines. So we have something, as the name suggests, a static boom, which is lifted by a crane, placed over there. It has an articulation arm, which can work over there. So these are the different innovations that keep happening. Each time we go to a customer, there's a different requirement. We try to see how best we can work it out with the OEM. Fast beam is for the shoulder of the bridges. So it is for the bridges and the parapets. So that's how you repair it. Well, we have what is known as the porta deck and the porta mats. The porta deck is a temporary road system which we use on marshy lands. It is used for cross-country gas pipelines. We use it again for the uneven grounds. In the WTGs, which is the wind turbine generator sections, we use it over there. And this can withstand heavy loads of a crawler crane, 400 tons per square meter, easy to assemble. So these are the different products that we keep showcasing and give it to the customer.
What new products or service models is MTND planning to launch?
So recently we have launched, you see, traditionally speaking, sites require shutdowns. These shutdowns happen and they go to evenings. Now they use a light system which is activated through diesel gensets. Now diesel gensets give the pollution on the diesel. They are heavy to maintain. We have a very fantastic system which we can show you outside, which is very versatile. This can illuminate an area of almost half acre to 1 acre and easy to maintain. So it comes with a battery pack of 3 kilowatts and 6 kilowatts. So this is the new product that we are launching over here. we are the largest and the main distribution partners for Dingley. Dingley is a very well accepted product. Today, we have a host of rental companies in the country today. Whenever there is a construction activity happening which is time bound, whether it is a greenfield or a brownfield project, organizations go to rental companies. Rental companies go to trusted, tried, quality product companies, and that is Dingley. So our relationship with Dingley is very profound. We keep giving them feedbacks on what the customer needs and customer wants. So yes, our relationship with Dingley is very, very strong.